ran into recently is that it doesn't hold a charge. So I went on Amazon to see if they had any battery replacements, and I found this. This is the battery replacement on Amazon. It's about $8. Okay, so I thought the batteries would be actually where the charging port is, but it's not. It's actually on the other headset, on the other side, on this side. So, the one that doesn't have the mic, okay? It's going to be the one that doesn't have the mic, this one. The headset one comes with 1000 mAh, and this one's 1500, so it should last a lot longer. I think they rated this at 10 to 15 hours. Like I say in many of my videos, I am no expert, regular guy, buys things and does videos on it if I think people would be interested in knowing about the item or what I'm doing. Okay, that was easy. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that are gonna have to come out. So I'm trying this one first. This is a small one, not the tiniest one I have, but this, no, not small enough. This is a very tiny one. Do this at your own risk. Finally got the last screw out. This is the size of the screw. They all look the same. Okay, now let's lift it up. This is the one with the R. So you can see right there, R for right. Yep, lift it up. I am not disconnecting those little cables, so be very careful with those cables. This item, and oh, there's, I'm sorry, 2 more screws. Did you notice that? So there's one here, and one here. So let's just take those out. To the side, and I'll pick this up, and oh, this is the actual battery. Oh wow, it's swollen, very swollen, the battery. Not as thin as the replacement one. This is actually very swollen. So let me remove the connection. There's the connection right there. Again, be really careful. There's a lot of little screws here. I'm gonna try to get to the edges with it. Okay, just removed this. It came out, sorry, this direction with the silver things, yep, facing out. So these silver things, when you put it back, you're gonna put it back like that with the, so that this will face out and the silver parts will face the battery. So you remember how to put it back. And that's the actual connection right there. So now let's remove the battery from the compartment. Wow, it is very swollen. Is it going to be easy to remove? Be careful. Do this at your own risk. It might be glued. Yes, it is glued. Now again, do this at your own risk. I'm just removing it. Gotta be careful with batteries. You don't want to puncture them. And as you read, it's 1000 mAh, and the new one is 1500. Oh, the compartment is larger. This is going down. So first I'm going to put it in, and it's going to have the silver ends. Silver ends, you're going to put it in like this, you see? Silver end this way, flat end with nothing that way. All right, let's put it in. And it's in. Now let's put everything back. Again, be very careful with those wires. Okay. Don't get the wires stuck under there at all. All done. Now remember, tighten, but don't tighten all the way. Don't over tighten. This is plastic on plastic. It's a metal screw going through plastic pieces. You'll just crack the pieces. All right, the wires are good. Oh, sorry. The wires are good. No issues whatsoever. Everything looks good. Plugged in nice. Need the battery. Put this back on. Put all 7 screws, and again, I'll be fast forwarding this part because it is boring. Done. Turn it upside down. Oh, look at that. Just to make sure no screws. I missed 2. So do the same thing. Make sure. I was turning it, but didn't. I guess it didn't catch. Yeah, this one's tightening up. Okay, I got them all in. As you can see, that took a while. They're not coming out. So they're all inside. All right, let's hope that's the last time I have to do that. That was very tedious. Let's put this back on, just corner to corner. I'm gonna leave it charging overnight because it's a brand new battery. And then I'll have my son. Okay, that's it. It's all done. A little tedious. Total time, I'm gonna say it's about half an hour for me. It's probably faster for you. So let's get it charged. Plug it in the outlet here. I don't remember if it has a charging indicator. It might be totally dead. And we'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't see a charging. There should be a charging indicator somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it goes. It's on the mic. All right. Okay, and so hopefully it will be charging. And that's it right there. And hopefully we'll have a like new headset. An even better one. It lasts a long time. I don't have any issues with these headsets, so there should be no issues whatsoever. Just showing you the light. Okay. Definitely pulsing. And I'll leave it overnight charging. So 1 hour, about a little over an hour, all the lights came on. So that means it is charging. That's great. They're all changing colors, as you can see. So far, so good. I fully charged the headsets overnight. I charged them about 14-15 hours, made sure that they were fully charged. After that, to test them, to see the battery life and to see if the batteries work, I connected them to my son's computer, and he allowed me to use his computer for the day. What I did was I did get sound, no issues whatsoever. Everything powered on, connection to the computer, no issues whatsoever. Sound was coming out of the headsets with no issues whatsoever. So the only issue, or the only test I wanted to do, was the longevity, see how long it took or how long the batteries would last. So I played YouTube on a continuous play. I started at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I could hear I didn't actually have the headsets on for that time. I just put the headsets down on the table and let the videos play in the background, and periodically came and checked the headsets to make sure that they were playing sound. So I did that, and the headsets lasted from 1 p.m. till 5 a.m. in the morning, dedication, 5 a.m. in the morning the next day. So that gave me about 15, I think it's about 15 hours and 15 minutes. So I got 15 hours and 15 minutes of continuous play on the headsets. So they lasted a long time. So the swapping out of the batteries were a success. It renewed the headsets. I don't have to throw them out or recycle them. I just I kind of got a new pair. So if you have these headsets and you can switch out the batteries, I would suggest to do so. If you can't do it, find somebody that'll do it for you. Be careful with those cables, but it was a success. Be very, very careful. Do this at your own risk, as I am not an expert. I'm just trying to pass along some knowledge that I obtained by doing this myself. So everything's working great. My son is happy about the new batteries because now he doesn't have to get a new headset. These are very comfortable and they work very well. All right, so I hope the video helps. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Oh, if you get a chance, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.